we in Mexico, we are divided, as you probably know, from where we come from. The people who come from Arab or Sephardic countries have their own schools, and the Ashkenazim, we had our own schools. The only difference, for example, with the Targut, it was the other big school in the community, is that they didn't speak Yiddish there. It was only Hebrew. And we were like, no, we speak both Yiddish and Hebrew. So it was always like fighting. And the religious school, the Yavne. And then the small one, which was the Naye, which is now, it disappeared a few years back. But they were always considered the Jewish schools. And all of my friends and all of my relatives, and it was either in one school or in the other. But it was very different. The celebrations were very different in the Arab schools. For the Jewish holidays, they made some things that we didn't know, and because we were isolated then. It was more like a Jewish way of, like the Ashkenazi way of life. And now it's more like combined.